Forecasting Bitcoin's next bear market low.
So this is really fascinating. This is called the Bitcoin next bear market high and low. So quickly, if you'll agree with me that the prior cycle, okay, from 2017 high to low, extended out, called the 2021 high exactly. This was the upthrust after distribution, and this is a Wyckoff pattern and a fake out. So it went a little higher, but it nailed it right there. So David and I were looking at this one day, and he was suggesting, well, how do we forecast the next bear market low? So what we did is, and there's two versions of it. So basically, you need three things for a Fibonacci. If we go high, low, high, we want to forecast the next low. And so based on that last study, I went high, low, high. Now, if you try to recreate this, it has to be really tightly on the candle tops and bottoms. So I painstakingly did that, and we came up with high, low, high to that top, right? What would the forecasted retracement be? And we were playing around with numbers in here, Fibonacci numbers, and none of them were lining up. And I just kept keying in numbers, and finally keyed in a number you might be familiar with, which lined up exactly with the low of 2022. And that number was 3.14 for pi. Looking at it slightly differently, because I had drawn it here to there. You know, the swing low here has some relevance also, so I drew it that way also. And there's that 3.14. But look at this. Drawing it slightly different from here to the top lines up exactly as pi also. Fascinating, right? Hey, this is Brett from Moonstream. If you'd like to learn more about our pro trading signals or our live classes every Wednesday or our Retire Rich program, go over to moonstream.io/start.